Fellas, I never thought I'd be dealing with this, but a few months ago I had to face the truth. I was struggling with ED. At first I told myself it was just stress, that I was tired, that I had too much on my plate. But deep down, I knew something was wrong. I wasn't the same. My energy was gone, my confidence took a hit, and worst of all, my wife and I were growing apart. I could feel her frustration even though she never said anything. And honestly, that made it even worse. I hated feeling like less of a man. I avoided intimacy, made excuses, and pretended like it wasn't a big deal. But one night, after another awkward moment in the bedroom, she finally asked, "Are you okay?" That was it. That was the moment I knew I had to do something. I wasn't going to let ED define me. That's when I found Alpha Force. I'll be real with you. I was skeptical. I had seen ads for supplements before, and I always thought they were just hype. I tried everything else first, eating better, exercising more, cutting out alcohol. But no matter what I did, ED was still there. So I figured, what did I have to lose? I gave Alpha Force a shot, took it every day, just like the bottle says. And man, I couldn't believe the difference. Within a few weeks, my energy levels skyrocketed. I stopped waking up tired, I felt stronger, and most importantly, my confidence came back. And that problem in the bedroom, gone. For the first time in a long time, I felt in control again. My wife noticed. I noticed. And the best part, it felt natural. No side effects, no weird artificial stuff, just results. After seeing such a huge change with Alpha Force, I started wondering, could I take this even further? That's when I came across Nitrox Pro. It's the next generation formula, 3x stronger than Alpha Force, designed specifically for men who want faster and more intense results. Here's what makes it different. Nitrox Pro works by dramatically increasing blood flow to the penile area, helping you achieve rock-hard, long-lasting erections, just like when you were 18. I didn't hesitate. I ordered a bottle and started taking it, and guys, let me tell you, I had no idea how much better things could get. I thought I was back to normal before, but Nitrox Pro took me to another level. No more doubts, no more worries, just pure confidence every single time. And here's the best part. Nitrox Pro is available right now. It's 3x more potent than Alpha Force, perfect for guys who want faster, stronger results, and an unstoppable level of performance. The catch? It's selling out fast. And right now, early buyers get a massive discount, but only while supplies last. So if you're tired of feeling like you're not in control, if you're ready to take back your confidence and eliminate ED for good, click the link in the description and grab your bottle now. Look, I know how frustrating it is to deal with ED, the doubt, the stress, the hit to your confidence. I've been there. But trust me, you don't have to live like that. Alpha Force helped me get my energy and drive back, but Nitrox Pro, that's what made me feel like a man again. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. If you have questions, ask away. I'd love to help. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Click the link in the description and grab your Nitrox Pro before it's sold out.